Okay. Thumb. Okay. What do you do first? No. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. What are you going to do first? In your... Oh, yes, in your head. Got it. No dirty pictures of Brad Pitt. Jeez, the pink pantyhose. Dude! Dude. Alright. You ready? Okay, let's do it. Good. Grip it. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Come on up. Yeah. Now you're stronger. Alright, let's pop this back a little bit. Alright, remember how to do it?
Yes.
What are you going to do first? Straighten your arms. And then we're going to lean into it, right?
Yes.
Okay, wait. Cowgirl. Slow down. Slow down. Okay, back heel up. Now, we're going to send it until when? Okay, and then you're going to heel toe. Push with your... When you pedal on your bike, do you pedal with your heel?
No, that would be great.
Thank you. I know, that's weird when you walk too. Okay, push. Push until.
Good.
Good. Take a step. Don't. Arm straight. Arm straight. There you go. Okay, now let's go smooth. Smooth. Now right into this one. Arm straight. Arm straight. Arm straight. Heel up, heel up, heel up. Good. Take a step.
Looks good.
Up again. Okay, now. Ready? Little push. Okay, now step. Step early. Yep. Oh, keep going. Okay, do it again. Heel up. Heel up. Now do it. Thought I was speaking Greek. There you go. That would be back.
So much better today. Good job.
Tequila. Okay, get it? Good. Step. Arm straight. Arm straight. Arm straight. I got you. Right here. Slow down, cowgirl. Oh, okay. Your long cord came out? Alright, hang on to it. That's okay.